In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make your own wave cap. And when you buy a wave cap, it comes in different colors. So you can see if you have different stocking, you can try when you are watching this video. So you'll need a pair of scissors and the stocking. So you should take a stocking, don't take a new one. So as you can see, that the stocking I'll use in this video. So take one side of the stocking. I've taken the left leg. Take a pair of scissors and cut on the thighs. That is almost on top of your knees. And don't worry about having a straight line while cutting your stocking, because I'll show you what you'll do with it. As you can see there, you already have your wave cap, but you still have some things to do to make it complete. So fold your stocking until you see it fits your head, because that part we are folding is just to hold your waves. Whenever you wear your wave cap, it doesn't fall off. So hold it until you see it fits your head. You can see, I think that will fit me well. And the next step is just to stretch it, because at this point is too small, so it would fit my head. That's why I'm stretching it, and I'm using a lot of force to make sure I stretch it so that it can fit me, as you can see there. And you'll notice just stretching it using your hands won't have that much effect on it. That's why after stretching it using your hands, you should wear it so that it can make it even stretch more. That's why after stretching it using your hands, make sure you try it, so that the more you wear it, the more it will even fit you. See there, we're ready for it, and as you can see, it is holding my wave nicely and it's tight. And that's the end of the video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and like, and remember to wear your wave cap inside out. So in my next video, I'm out.